Hey guys, wanna know how to cancel your Geeks for Geeks subscription? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy, step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, in order to cancel your premium service, you need to head towards its official browser. So just simply head towards www.geeksforgeeks.org, and once you're there, on the top menu right here on the rightmost side, you can see GFG Premier. Just simply click on it. Now, once you've done that, your premium page should load for GFC. So for now, since I do not have premium yet, there should be an offer showing right here. But if you already do and you want to cancel it, instead of Go Premium, you should see your Cancel Premium option. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you cancel your premium or your subscription in Geeks for Geeks. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.